Ryan is going to be teaching me how to play the didgeridoo because I haven't got a didgeridoo clue.
Right, so what you're going to do is you're going to kind of like put your mouth, well, your lips inside this part here, and you're going to kind of go, but you want to make sure you puff out your cheeks and you take a deep breath.
Okay.
So roughly like this. That's a basic kind of foghorn droning sound.
Breathe in and puff up my cheeks.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
I don't think do I puff up my cheeks when I do it?
Sure, I feel like I'm like putting the
Let me see.
cheek puff on. How do you do that? You definitely do puff out your cheeks, but I think they puff out because you're holding the air in.
Yeah, maybe don't puff your cheeks out so much, but just kind of like make sure it's like a tight fit.
Put it in.
Your mouth should be quite tight, and then you got to make a. I think you're directing too much air, trying to get it in, but it needs to be more kind of like the air needs to be pressurized on your lips more, kind of.
Is that right?
The sound is okay, but yeah. I think even if you do it quietly.
Is it because you've got a deeper voice, do you think?
It's more.
Okay. I feel like I'm putting like my whole mouth inside it.
Maybe it's too tight. It's harder. If you do it tighter, it's actually harder.
Okay, so.
You need to keep it a bit more loose. That was funny. Maybe just lips like in a little bit and.
Okay.
Can you do that inside? That's it. That's it. You got it.
Did it?
Yeah, that's the sound. Find that sound. No. What happened?
I'm
good.
sweating. This is making me sweat.
It was actually good.
It's actually like a real breathing exercise, isn't it?
It is.
You really have to control your breathing.
Deep breath and then just.
That's kind of it.
Well, yeah, but focus on your lips moving. Try without the didgeridoo, just. See, that's perfect. If you can do that inside. No. That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
You have to have that movement inside.
Well, clearly he's the better
And then you
player.
can kind of go.
Yeah, don't get me to do variations.
You can kind of adjust the tone.
How do you not get lightheaded
voice.
doing it?
I think just a lot of practice mainly. That's it. You got it.
That's it.
Yeah, you got it.
I'm looking at it.
Yeah.
That's like a dog.
That was quite good though.
Was it?
That was quite good. You just need to keep your lips moving. No, you're going. It's very important your lips move. But if I just try and get air in, it doesn't work. I think that's what you're doing. But if you have it loosely on there, and you go. I'm just doing that basically.
I can't seem to do it.
Oh. Is it too tight? Maybe wet your lips. Are you done?
I'm done.
You're done.
I'm done.
She's done.
I will keep practicing and I'll be back.